This is part 2 in the series of videos for the Agate and Howlite upcycle, where we upcycled 2 necklaces. So far in the first video, we made a necklace. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Vicki. And if you're coming back, thank you for that. Video number 2 out of 4. And I think today we might end up making some earrings. Before we get started, let's take a look at what the 2 necklaces look like before and after I took them apart. Do know that at the end of the video, I'll have a playlist for the Agate and Howlite upcycle so that you can see all of the videos. They'll be numbered in sequence, 1 of 4, 2, 3, 4 of 4 in its own separate playlist. I don't know which video you found first, but at the end of the video, you'll find the playlist link so that you can watch all the videos in this series. Back to the upcycle. I do have some copper tone because I'm not sure if these are actually copper, but I have 2 2-inch head pins. Let's see if we can put a small round bead on this and hopefully it doesn't fall off the bottom. If so, we'll have to find something to do about that. I have a dark brown and a lighter brown. I think I'm going to try to get 2 that are closer in color, like these here. I know I want to work these in. Let's pick out a couple of the Howlite that has a lot of veining in it. Those look pretty good together. Add the 6mm round bead. I'm so about it. Not crazy. I mean, it would go with the necklace for sure, but I'm not 100% crazy about it. Let's try something else, but that would be an option. Can I put the 6mm bead on the bottom and it won't fall off the head pin? Just depends on how large the hole is. Those look pretty good. Let's add the 8mm Howlite bead, and then what happens if we just stack some of these little beads? Well, this is going to be harder than I thought because I'm not crazy about these. I'm playing here. I'm experimenting. No, that doesn't do it for me. What can we do? Yes, it's wearable, but not quite cutting it. Put a small round bead at the bottom again. I thought the earrings were going to be easy to make, but I don't know. These are all different colors, aren't they? Of course, if you like small earrings, you could just do 1 bead or 2 or 3 as I'm playing with here. I don't have 3 beads together at all in the necklace that we made. Okay, I think that's going to be it. Those are going to be the earrings. Let's get a couple of copper ear wires. You'll need round nose pliers for this, and my cutters are built into my round nose pliers. I'll have a link for these below the video, my Amazon affiliate link. Just pushing the beads all the way down. I just put my thumbnail there and bend that at a right angle. Cut that down to about 3/8 of an inch. And just bring this wire till it's flush here with the round nose pliers. And I just pull towards and then roll back. Close it up. And we have a nice pretty little loop. If you need to straighten it out a little bit, well, just put your round nose pliers back in there and do that. Same thing here. Push the beads down. I like to put my thumbnail, what little thumbnail I have. I don't have long nails, so about 3/8 of an inch. Flush, wires flush. Roll it back, close it up, straighten it up if you need to. I think it looks pretty good. I've got some copper ear wires. I am going to use my chain nose pliers because they're tapered. I like these. They're really thin on the end versus my flat nose. Let's attach the earrings. And you can open up the loop on the earring or the ear wire, whichever you prefer. Okay, here's our earrings. One pair of earrings down. We have beads left, so we might as well make another pair of earrings. We've got the little 4mm and 2 of the jasper and 2 of the howlite beads and 2 more of the small round bead, 2 howlite, If you like this video, give it a like, be sure to comment, and vote, of course, for your favorite pair of earrings at the end of the video. You vote in your comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so. And ring that bell icon for notifications so you're updated every time I release a video. Getting a little bit longer. If I add one more of these on top, can I still bend it and make the loop for the ear wire? I think we can. Like I said, they're a little bit longer, but I wanted to make another style. So the same thing we did before. I've got 2 ear wires. Don't have a lot of room to work with here, but I'm going to push those beads down and bend that at a right angle. Do I have to trim anything off? Just a little bit to get my 3/8 wires flush. There's our loop. Push the beads down. Trimming off just a tad. Wires flush. Kind of pull it towards you and roll it back. I think I got a little longer on here. We'll see here. Just see if it's going to work. I think we're good. Just open the ear wire, whichever side opens. And now we have our second pair of earrings. Let's take a look at the earrings that we made today. The first pair goes with the necklace that we made in the first of this 4-part series. And the second pair of earrings, well, I might have something up my sleeve for the next video. Never know. Be sure to vote for your favorite pair number 1 or pair number 2 of the upcycled beaded earrings. As you know, my videos are for inspiration. I make these videos to inspire you to get into your own bead stash, your own findings, and have fun. Just take these ideas that I share with you, run with it, and make it your own. And do know that at the end of the video, I'll have a link for the playlist for this series, the Agate and Howlite series. Now this is part 2, and I don't know when you're coming across this video, so I might have all 4 videos up, or I might just have 2 up so far. But the playlist is at the end. And of course, check out my Amazon affiliate links if you need any tools or supplies. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki, and I'll see you in the next video.